Hey guys, Perry Details Retail. Today we're working on the Bobcat 873. So what we're going to be doing is the fun stuff, of course. We're going to be looking at our timing belt and doing a timing belt replacement on it. Let me put you down here. So first things first, we're going to take the observation cover off and just give a gander at it. So that's a 10 millimeter, and then there's a torque security in there, which is supposed to be 30. I got one of those, so we'll see how that goes. I don't believe the belt was ever changed in this machine, and that's really a no-no on these. They should be done every 2,000 hours or 5 years, and I don't think it's ever been done on this machine. So 10 millimeter, and then it's a 30 torque supposed to be, and that's to keep all the people out that don't know what they're doing. That's the deal. That's what they said. And they put this little doohickey right in your way. Alright. So, of course, it's not deep enough. So I need an extension. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Let's go get one. Alright, we're back on Bobcat 873. Took this off. 14 millimeter, that goes there. Okay, now that opens that up a little bit. This little bad boy, you had to get the Torx bit, and it's a 5-star. It's not 6-star. Let me get this out for you. So this is a 5-star security Torx. So you can see right here what it is. Not 6-bit, a 6-star, or 6-point. 5-star with the stupid security bit in it. So that's how it goes. What a pain in the rectum. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside. There's a little wear on the outside of the belt. The belt is a little bit on the loose side. So loosening I tried 13 mil. 13 mil doesn't work on it. Half mil fits it good. So we're gonna loosen that, get the belt off. That'll get the belt out of the way, because we gotta get off the pulley here. Gotta get this out of here. So yeah, I don't think this belt was ever changed. It's pretty slacky there. It's tight there, but slacky there. And this looks like this cog is plastic. And there's plastic in there. That's pretty sad, people. A plastic gear. That's what they wanted to fail, huh? And those are 10 millimeter in there. Get the rest of this off. Well, first I gotta get that pulley off. Before I get that off, I'm gonna have to figure out what those are for bolt sizes. So let me figure that out. We'll see. I got a 15 right here. Is it 15 mil? Oh, look at that. It's 15 millimeter. Excellent. I gotta get my breaker bar. Well, I suppose a 1/2 inch. Should probably give a 1/2 inch. Let me go get that. Well, I can't find my breaker bar. It's 15 millimeters. See if I can break with this. I just ain't got the fucking room here. Oh no, that ain't gonna work. I gotta find a standard 15. Deep well's not gonna work. My garage is a frickin' mess, people. So I'm gonna have to search some more. I found a 3/8 adapter for a 1/2 inch for 15 mil. So we're taking that out now. There's 4 of them. Now you don't do the center bolt, the crank bolt, you don't do that. I think that's the crank bolt. I don't think that's the camshaft. Might be the cam. I'm not positive which is what. But I know I don't need to take that one off. So it should slip out of there. It says it should slip out of there. And of course, why would it not? If you guys look at that, that looks like that bolt has to come out of there. Let me get a little light in there so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, that's not what I want. Flashlight. Flashlight. Maybe. Okay, that must, okay, must need a little something in there to get her off. But it looks like, it almost looks like it has to. I don't know how they expect you to get that off. Hasn't been off in a while. Hammer. Yeah, because that cover is plastic. There it goes. Little hammer action. Okay. Just tap on here. Guys, tap on here and you'll get it off. Okay, so now we can take the rest of that off. And that is 10 mil. It's not wet. A little bit. Probably should clean up the. Okay, let's see what we got here now. Alright, let's see what we got inside here. Okay, here we go. This gear is plastic. It is plastic, guys. Alright, so I mean, it doesn't feel terrible. Alright, so what we gotta do is we gotta rotate the engine. I gotta get the cab up so I can pin that, because we gotta pull this to put the special tool to lock it in the spot. Let me go get that front pulled up so we can lift that up and see where that other one is, because it's gonna be on that back side of the engine. Hopefully I can get to it easy. Let's see. Let me get that and I'll bring you in for a look then when I get it up. As you guys probably realize, I ran into a little problem here. Yeah, it's a little one. I'm getting fat. No, that's not it. That is a problem though. Okay. I need to get this cover off right here. And there's a bolt behind there. And I'm sure it won't come out far enough to let me get access to that. So what has to happen is I gotta put the engine back together and start it, lift the boom all the way up, lock the boom in place like right here, get the lift alarm lock right here, that's what that's for, and lock it in place. Hopefully you still can lift the cab with it all the way up. I'm hoping you can, to get so I can get this plate out. That would be step one, I think, is to lift that and get this plate out first before you do anything. No one covered that for me, and I was just learning that now. So you got it for me. You gotta get that cover first thing. I'm burning light here. You know what I should do? I should take off work tomorrow and just work on this, huh? Oh, what's this? It better be just grease. It looks like grease. I thought maybe it might have been a crack. So yeah. So now I gotta go backwards. God, I hate backwards. So, alright. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. What is this, guys? Is the other side doing that? Is that paint? Just paint? Ah, it's just paint. It's paint crack. That's strange how the paint's cracking there. Let's just look at the other side once. Make sure that ain't doing it over there. Gosh, it looks like it's cracked. It is cracked. Yeah. Or the paint's cracking. Huh. Oh, we'll have to figure something out for that. Alright, so well, we're going backwards. And God, I love backwards. So it's got to put it all back together so I can get the arms up, and then I can remove that because it's got to run to get the arms up. Oh, I tell ya, when you don't know nothing, you don't know nothing. There's always the learning as you go kind of stuff that I just enjoyed the most. Yeah. So first we gotta put this cover back on. Yeah. What's up with that? Why is that like that? That's weird. They have that cover like that. Okay, put that back on there. Let's see where that fits on there. Okay, it fits just like that, I believe. Put the 10mm bolts back in. Now, it don't look like this is going to get done today. I'll tell you that. Kind of sucks. I was hoping to have this all done today. And I'm not going to run it not together, so we're going to have to tighten everything back up in place. The only thing I'm not going to put back together is that security screw is not going back in. That is not going in. Alright, so now we gotta put our accessory belt back on. Should come off pretty easy next time around. That's for sure. I hate going backwards though. But this is my first time doing this. I don't know if I'd want to be a Bobcat tech, man. Everything's so tiny. You'd have to have like micro hands and arms to reach into this stuff. They probably pull the engines out of these things and just pull them out like nothing, and work on them outside, the engine out. That's the only thing I could think of the way it'd work really good, because the space is so cramped. Okay, so tighten this back up. Alright. Well, yeah, just a reminder, it's a 10 or 19 millimeter in the front, and my wrench is probably hanging on the tire yet. So it's a 19 mil to lift the cab up. Yeah. Now this wouldn't be so bad if I had a shop. Working out in the driveway is not ideal, guys. Oh, moving the motor. That's okay, don't. Because it's still not pinned up. Connect or the. Everything's still hooked up yet, so as far as the timing belt goes, I am gonna have to move it later. Now I gotta put that back on, put my alternator bolt back on. Well, maybe we should just put the cover back on first, because then that's out of the way. Alright, let's do it. Alright, get that in there. Yeah, see, that's got to come out of that area. That's got to go inside. Just like that. That alternator's in really rough shape. As far as the terminals, I'm gonna have to clean those up. So I'm not putting that other one back on, just to run it a little bit. Basically, we probably should just forget about that one.